Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase a gauge. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series oil pressure gauge. It's available in a black face with a clear lens, black face with a tinted lens, and a white face with a clear lens. So right away, when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm gauge with a color change button on the front, an oil pressure sensor, a 2-foot power harness, a 9-foot sensor harness, mounting bracket and hardware, a visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. If you need any vehicle specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.